Hello students, today in this video I am going to show you how you can make PDF of your answer sheet with the help of the application named Fast Scanner. So once you are done writing your answer sheet, open the application Fast Scanner on your phone. You have to click photos through this application only if you want to make PDF through this application. Now once you open the application, you will be able to see camera icon at the bottom of the application on the right hand side. So click on that and start clicking the image of the first page. Once you click the image, it will ask for cropping and adjust settings. You can do that. Once you are done that, click on tick mark, again tick mark, and now it will ask for the document name. As of now it is page 1, so you can just give it a name, page 1, and click on OK. Now for adding other pages of your answer sheet, what you have to do, you have to click pictures in this file only by clicking on the plus icon that you can see again at the bottom of the application on the right hand side. तो आपके आंसर शीट के जितने भी पेजेस हैं वो आपको बार बार उसके फ़ोटोज़ क्लिक करने के लिए प्लस आइकन पे क्लिक करके उतने नंबर ऑफ़ फ़ोटोज़ पहले आपको इस फाइल में खींच लेने हैं. सारे पेजेस, आंसर शीट के सारे पेजेस के फ़ोटोज़ आप खींच लो, उसके बाद ही यू आर सपोज टू सेव दिस फाइल इन योर phone. So now we'll click photo of second page. Again you can adjust your and crop your image. Again tick mark. Now if you want to add third, fourth, fifth, again you third, fourth, fifth image, you can click on plus icon and you can click as many pictures of the answer sheet pages as much as you want. Once you are done clicking all the pages of your answer sheet, what you will do, on the right hand side at the top of this application you are able to see 3 dots. So click on 3 dots. There you can see the option save to storage. So click on the option save to storage. Once you do that, this PDF will be saved in a folder named Fast Scanner PDF in your file manager or my files folder of the phone. Now once you are done saving this particular file in your storage, come to the home screen and then open file manager of your phone, file manager or my files folder of your phone. Now in that, in internal storage, you will be able to see a document named Fast Scanner PDF, a folder named Fast Scanner PDF. Open that folder and then you will be able to see the document that you just saved, that is page 1, and today's date has already come, so you'll be able to know that this is the document that you have saved. Now what you will do, again आपको ये document open नहीं करना है, बाहर ही you are able to see 3 dots on the right hand side of the document name. Click on that and choose the option of rename. तो rename करने के लिए as we have told you how you are supposed to rename your answer sheet, वैसे ही आपको अपनी इस फाइल को rename करना है. First your class and section, then space छोड़ के your roll number. If your roll number is of 2 digits, it is fine. If your roll number is of single digit, you can write it as 01, 02, 03, etc. So first class and section, then your roll number, then again you have to leave a space and then write down your full name. And then you will click on OK. Your file is renamed now, as you can see. Now again come to the home page. Again come to the home screen of your phone and open the Google form link that your teacher has sent you. So when you'll open the Google form link, you will be able to see this as the first page. So here you will enter your Gmail ID. Once you are done writing your Gmail ID, click on next button. Then certain details of yourself is asked. You have to fill that. So fill your full name as in the format given, first name, father's name, and then surname. So I am adding. Once you are done writing your full name, then you are supposed to select your class. Then you are supposed to write down your roll number. And here the last question is of submitting your answer sheet here. So in this question you will click on add file. Once you click on add file, upload option में आपको दिखेगा select file from your device. तो आपको select file from your device पे click करना है. तो आपको 3 ऑप्शन. So yes, click on select file from your device. Once you do that, सिलेक्ट फाइल्स, उसमें डाउनलोड्स के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे आपको 3 लाइन्स दिख रही है, उस पर क्लिक करिए. देन ओपन फाइल मैनेजर फ्रॉम योर फोन. In that, again find the folder named Fast Scanner PDF. Open that Fast Scanner PDF folder and आपको अपना जो फाइल अपने सेव किया है रीनेम करके 8th B roll number 1 with your name is been shown. So select that and then now click on the option upload. It will take few seconds for the file to upload. Once the file is uploaded, now you can submit. So then it will be showing you that your paper has been submitted successfully. So I hope this video is helpful to you in making your PDF and also submitting your answer sheet on the Google form link. Thank you.